Find yourself a comfortable place where you will not be disturbed, and allow yourself to sit with your back straight, your neck long, your shoulders relaxed, and just close your eyes. Feel your breath going in and out, and let your breath find itself a natural rhythm which allows your body to relax just a little bit more, and any thoughts simply drift by. Breathing in and breathing out. And as you sit in this comfortable position, let everything that has of late been rattling you, been off balancing you, been overwhelming you, maybe feeling pushed into a corner, scattering your energies, bringing in fatigue. Today, don't run away from it. Don't even beat yourself about it. Let wherever all of this is stored in your body, let it gently, gently, gently come up. All the spaces where you've been feeling overwhelmed, overworked, all the incidences, memories that are making you restless, making you feel cornered, and most of all, making you feel ungrounded. As you think about those, maybe you feel them as certain discomforts in the body, maybe you feel sensations in the body, or maybe images, visuals just flash by. Or maybe there is a heaviness, a tingling. However it is showing up for you, just allow it to come up. And as you think about it, just take a moment to check what's happening to your axis of the body as you do that, which is your spine. Does it make the spine feel heavy? Do the shoulders droop? Does your head feel heavy? Check how the body responds. And now, whatever it is that has come up, please look at that and just say to it, with soul's love, I purify you. With soul's love, I purify my overwhelm. With soul's love, I purify my overwhelm. With soul's love, I purify my fears. With soul's love, I purify my fears. With soul's love, I purify the reason behind the fears. With soul's love, I purify my fatigue. With soul's love, I purify my fatigue. With soul's love, I purify the reasons behind my fatigue. With soul's love, I purify my scattered energies. With soul's love, I purify my scattered energies. With soul's love, I purify the reasons behind my scattered energies. With soul's love, I purify my ungrounded feeling. With soul's love, I purify my ungrounded feeling. With soul's love, I purify the reasons behind this ungrounded feeling. And then gently take 3 deep breaths. Breathe in through the nose and breathe out through the mouth. Releasing all of this. All that is off-centering you, ungrounding you. Breathe it out. And then return to normal breathing. And now, as you might feel a slight difference in your body, maybe the way you're sitting, we're also going to work through unforgiveness for your own self, which often keeps us in this loop of feeling ungrounded and not centered. So please say to yourself that I forgive myself for this overwhelm. I forgive myself for these fears. I forgive myself for the restlessness. I forgive myself for my fatigue. I forgive myself for my scattered energies. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. It happened. I am here with myself now. And with soul's love, I graciously awaken integration of all my energies with love, ease and joy. With soul's love, I graciously awaken integration of all my energies with love, ease and joy. With soul's love, I graciously awaken integration of all my energies with love, ease and joy. And as you say that, feel yourself returning to your own axis, to your own center, to your Shiva, to that which always remains still despite the movement around. Breathe more and more back into your axis. Integrate, integrate, center, ground. And then just say 3 times to yourself, I awaken the whole and complete me. I awaken the whole and complete me. I awaken the whole and complete me. And as you say that, feel yourself growing taller and taller, steadier, grounded, and more connected with your entire sense of being. Because you are much more than the roles you play. You're much more than the identities you give yourself. And you're much more than your judgments. And now from this space of centering, allow life to flow through you. And send out a silent prayer that I let life flow through me with ease and grace. I let life flow through me with ease and grace as I remain aware of my center and my grounding. This is me. This is me. This is me. And I am more than enough. Feeling your axis, feeling your center, feeling your grounding. Slowly start coming back into the here and now, ready for your day ahead. Feeling your breath and body, feeling your feet, your fingers, your hands, your arms, your shoulders. Feeling your neck. And then gently rub your palms together. Place them on your eyes. Take a deep breath in and out, and with a gentle smile on your face, ready to take the day on with ease and grace, you may open your eyes. Thank you.